Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So for today, I am going to show you on 5 procedures of laboratory test, soil laboratory test. So for the first experiment, we are going to do dry sieving test. So we are going to set the apparatus. So here are the 3 types of soil that we need, and weighing sieve, and weighing scale. And this is my DIY sieving set. So the first step, we are going to weigh this soil. Weigh this soil and record the data. Alright. After we record the data, we are going to pour this soil on this sieving set to sieve the soil. Alright, we pour it on. Sure to shake it very well and even. Make sure it is very separated, and being sieved. Okay, complete for the sieving phase. After that, we are going to weigh the top and the bottom one. Okay. So we are going to get this out before we weigh the mass. Carefully. Right. So we are going to measure the bottom. Alright, this is the bottom one, and then afterนี้, we record the data. Alright, so we are going to measure the mass or weight of this top one. Then record the data again. So that's all. Alright, so next we are going to show you how the procedure of the water content determination test. So this is the apparatus we need. 3 types of soil, different soils, and pen, and this is weighing scale. So firstly, we are going to take this soil and put it in this pen and compact. Compact it. After we compact it, we are going to weigh this soil, so that we forget to record the data. Alright, so we are going to leave this soil for 24 hours at open space, and then after that we are going to after 24 hours we are going to measure the weight again. So after we measure the weight, we can leave repeat the same process by using another soil. Okay, that's all. For the next test, we are going to do permeability test. So here are the apparatus we need. So this is the different type of soil, and then here we have falling head test, and here water, and this is tray. So this is the tray. So the first step we are going to do is we put the falling head test into this tray, and then we take this soil, first type of soil, and put it into this falling head test. Right. After that, we are going to compact. Okay. Compact the soil, compact it evenly. You can use your hand or another apparatus you have at home. Compact it. Okay, after we compact it, we are going to pour this water into this falling head test. So let's go. Okay, make sure the water is reach the H1 level. Alright, that's been reached. Okay, so right now we are going to take the time taken for this water to saturate with the soil. Okay, after we see the level is decreased, and then we are going to pour another water until it reach again at H1 level. Okay, we reach at H1 level, and then we are going to take the time taken for the water to reduce the level from H1 until H2, H2 until H3, and H3 until H4. We are going to take the time taken for each reducing level by time. Alright. After that, we are going to. So this is the ending of this procedure, but we are going to using another type of soil and repeat the same process. Okay, that's all. Okay, so for now we are going to do sand replacement method. This is test number 4, and then this is the apparatus we need. First, a sand, ruler, and weighing scale, and a pan with hole at the middle, and this is the sand cone. This is the sand cone. So for the first step, we are going to locate our point and put this at the point. And then we are going to find, okay, I forgot to tell you, we need something like stick or knife that we can use it to make a hole in this soil. So we make the hole based on the shape of the middle here and collect the soil. Okay. And then after the hole is finished, we need to collect this and measure the soil that we collect. Okay, and then collect the data. Alright. Okay. Alright, after this we are going to measure the length or depth of the hole we dig. Okay, and then collect the data. Okay. So for now, we are going to put this sand cone in this on the hole, and then put the sand in here until it is full. Alright, it's full. Okay, it's full. So open the valve here to let the sand goes down into the hole. Okay, it's done. It's tutup. After that, we are going to measure the weight of this sand cone with the left with soil sand left, and then don't forget to collect the data. Alright, so that's all for this test. Okay. Alright, so we are going to do the last lab experiment, which is a particle density test. So what we are going to have is, this is my DIY oven or heater, and we have the soil and weighing scales, water, and this is my DIY picnometer, and this is the stopper. So first of all, we are going to weigh the picnometer and the stopper. Record the data. Alright. After that we are going to fill the picnometer with the soil. Alright. After we fill the soil, we are going to weigh the soil with picnometer and collect the data. Alright. After collect the data, we are going to fill in the soil, the picnometer with the water until it reach half of the picnometer. Alright. So after this, we are going to measure the weight of this. And record the data again. Right. After that, we are going to heat this picnometer and open up the stopper to let the air flow up through the picnometer, and let the heater to heat this picnometer until the water is evaporated. Alright, after that, we are going, don't try this action, please use what we call it, another thing that we can use to hold this at hot temperature. So we let the picnometer to cool down. After that we are going to, once the water is evaporate, we are going to fill the water until full of the picnometer. Alright, it's full. So by using the stopper, we are going to weigh this. Alright, and record the data. After that, we are going to clean this picnometer. Alright, after we clean the picnometer, we are going to fill the picnometer with water until it reaches the top level, until it's full. Alright. Alright, until it's full. Right. After that, we are going to measure the weight of this picnometer, including with the stopper. After that, record the data. So, Until this is the end of this laboratory test for particle density test. So that's all. Thank you.